Hey my beautiful people, it's your girl Natasha Renea and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to install a wig and do some makeup. So, y'all know, if you're ready for it, we're going to get into it. Starting now. Okay, so, as you can see, your girl, she needs something on his head. So the unit that I want to install is Glenna. She's from the What Lace line, and this is the Cloud 9 series. She's a 13x6 and she is glueless. Now what makes Glenna glueless is the fact that she does have the elastic band, and then the hairline is everything. It's pre-plucked and the knots are bleached, I do believe. Yeah, it's the undetectable flawless hairline. All right, so I do have her in 1B. She is heat safe for up to 400 degrees. And this is what she looks like. Now, I have already worn her, so this is a reinstall. So she is very long. So we're going to put her on. All right, so she has the adjustable band, and she does have the basic standard comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and stick her on. Okay, so I did go ahead and take a little bit of alcohol and clean up my hairline because I do want it to be able to stick. And I pull my hairline back a little so that I can apply my lace bond. So since I love to take my wigs off and I don't want them to hold that long, this is the Kiss lace bond adhesive, and it is extreme hold. This is actually level 8, so there's only one level higher, so I know when I put it down it's gonna be down. Okay, so I'm gonna let me grab a stick. Okay. I'm just gonna lay that down. Lay this down. Lay this side down. All right, so I did put the band on. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 or so minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, so this is, remember, Glenna, and she is a 13x6, so you can do half up, half down. You can part left, right, center, whatever you would like. I'm going to keep her simple. I do have her, well, I did have her thrown behind the ear, and I curled a little piece on the side, but you can bring it all forward if you would like. You can also put her up, just brush her all together. You can leave that side right there and just pin her up and let her fall either to this side. Since I have my swoop over here, I probably will let her fall to that side. She is, yeah, so versatile. Now she is synthetic, so she is long and she does have the tendency to tangle, okay, because she's so long. But I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. So you take you some mane and tail detangler and you just spray the ends. Rub your hands down like this to make sure it's worked in. You don't have to dry it. Just make sure it's worked in. And take you the infamous brush. Let's brush her. See how she brushes? No problem. And if you keep doing that, this will last a lifetime. This will last a lifetime. Also, I do shampoo my synthetic units. I'll show y'all that in a later video. But I have synthetic units that are 15, 20 years old. Again, this is the mane and tail detangler. If it works on the horse's tail, it's gonna work on these synthetic units, okay? That is my I'm gonna ungatekeep this. Yeah, let me give me a couple more bottles because I know y'all gonna sell them out. But yeah, that's the secret. That is the secret, okay? All right, so this is Glenna. Let me get her pinned up and we're gonna move on to the makeup portion.